Welcome back. A dead body of an unknown male was found in the bushes at Saudi Kankan on Sunday. Local Subhash Komarpant, while moving in the area, found a decomposed body. Kankan police are trying to trace the name and details of the deceased.
जिनाबडी मारपाक तुळशी खात लग्न हात जिनाबडी जाय पडटानी म्हाका हांव त्यो मारपा येयलें गा हांव कमी 3:30 सुमार येयलें गा 3:30 जिनाबडी मारपा येवं जाल्यार म्हाका वास येवपा लागलें गा आनी जर हांव तो पळयता गा जाल्यार म्हाका वास येता पूण खंय कितें आसा म्हूण कांय कळना पूण म्हाका ती आनी संवय उरता खंय वास पेले अशें मुद्दाम पळोवपाची म्हाका संवय अशें आसता म्हाका पूण थंय आसा थंय म्हाका वास येता पळय थंय कांय दिश्टी पडना मागीर हांवें सायड वचून आड्या सायडी पळयलें पयलें म्हाका थंय एक कुसली बॉडी म्हाका दिश्टी पडली
मेल डेड बॉडी
दादल्याची पॅन्ट आनी शर्ट घालत देड म्हाका दिश्टी पडली.
कितले वय अशें सादारण दिसता
ते वय तेजे फुगलो म्हणटा ते कांय सांगपाक पूण नेण्टो भुरगो तशें उरपाक शकता तो.
वळख कितें
ना पळय कांय कळना तोंड काळे पडले आसा पोट फुगले आसा
अशें ह्या दिसा कोणी भोंवताले बी अशें कितें दुबाव बी कोणाक जास्त
ना 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 तें कांय ना खबर ना.
बरें.
Babesh Borkar from Kankan for Prudent Media.
Now news some sports. Empowering special children to stand up in the society is the motto of Special Olympics Bharat. In Goa, the organization's national sports director, Victor Vaz, is on a mission to boost the hidden talents in special children. A camp is in progress at Kampal, where special children are being trained to become coach assistants in football. 60 special children and coaches from various states of India are participating in this special camp. Goa Football Development Council is also supporting this initiative.
This is no ordinary bunch of kids having a kickabout. Rather, these are special children who are having a good time under sweltering midday sun. Former Salgaonkar and Tempo footballer Lecter Mascarenhas is amazed at the enthusiasm of these special children and allows them to another round of a shortened football match. Victor Vaz explained the mission.
This program is to empower our special athletes to become confident and be able to prove to society that they can do something. And what is that something? We are training these athletes to become coach assistants. That is, during this training program, all the athletes are going to be trained and they are going to be taught how the exercises are done, warming up, stretching, the basics exercises, so that they will assist the coach. Because sometimes the coach has about 20-30 players and he cannot cope up with them. So we will be using our special athletes who will, the coach will instruct, okay, you have to take the cones and form this formation and do the dribbling. You have to do these warming up exercises or stretching exercises. The coach will give instructions, the athletes will start, the coach assistant who is a special athlete will be instructing the other athletes. So this is like to empower them that they can become coaches in a sport specific. And this sport specific today here is football. Okay, so since we have taken this and we have got athletes come on from over nearly 17 states here, and we are trying to see how best we can give them the power of being positive and facing the society.
And how many coaches have come along with the athletes?
Yeah, we have, our acquisition was that 2 athletes and 1 coach should come. So we have around 18 coaches here together with us from every state, starting from Andaman and Nicobar Islands right up to Nagaland and Mizoram and Assam, and from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, all the states are here, except for Delhi has not come, but other states, most of the states are here. We have about 31 programs in us, out of which 17 of them are coming here.
A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Dempo are struggling for quality up front in the absence of striker Coco Sakibo, which is evident in Saturday's match. Dempo coach Armand Colasso admitted in the post-match conference that he forced Joke Branches to play against Air India even though the striker was carrying an injury. Armando is left with few options after Rohan Ricketts made it clear he is not a striker but an attacking midfielder. After 7 rounds of the I-League, Dempo are second in the table, a point behind Kolkata Giants East Bengal.
Just like Churchill Brothers, Dempo Sports Club too left it for very late to secure all 3 points against Air India at Fatorda on Sunday. But goal scorer Jokia Branches was forced to start even though he had an injury.
The problem is Branch is not fit. Let me be honest, I am the one who forced him to play because without the strikers, Sueka, Branches, Coco, Branches, Sueka, in Delhi do not play well because of food poisoning. So I was left with Joy and Peter to play out.
So
Although I
Abranches
tried with Anthony in the first half.
food poisoning here at Abranches.
This fellow, Sueka.
Yes. And Abranches is injured.
Abranches was injured, so I forced him. I said, please come because we are lacking strikers.
Armando says Ricketts was introduced by his agent as a striker, which puts the club in a bit of a problem, as Ricketts says he's an attacking midfielder and not a striker.
See, the problem in the beginning was that Rohan was a striker. His agent abroad said Rohan is a striker. That's how we brought him. But then when he came here, he said, I'm not a striker, he was come to replace Andy. Okay. I'm an attacking midfielder. So now we don't play 4-1-1, we play 4-4-2. Yes. You see? Usually the Viper. So here, we also make him have to understand that. Today I told Peter stay as a defensive and let him play.
So is that the misunderstanding that initially took place?
Yes, it was a misunderstanding which took place. But then we have to carry on because he's signing for us now. We have to carry on the way he and I together, and the club has to move on.
Dempo Sports Club are not ready to accept their playmaker Climax Lawrence's suspension lightly. Armando Colasso told press persons the club will go to court on the matter.
Yeah, because yesterday we were writing a letter about the Shopos, discussing to take them into the court. We are looking at all options. What they have done is really, really bad. They have no right. I-League committee has no right to suspend. Even Kassab, when they took him for hanging, remember? The court judge asked him, give your last, I want to express, and we want to know what are your feelings, what you have to say. Climax, only 2 games. Why 2 games? Why shouldn't it be 8-9 games if he has pushed a referee or kicked a referee? Why only 2 games? Did he get a hearing?
Our reporter Samir Bhatt from Fatauda.
For Chirmolyo Govinda Govinda, Tulsi Chai Lagna was celebrated in the state with fervour on Sunday. On this day, Tulsi Vrindavan is coloured and decorated as a bride. Sugarcane and branches of tamarind and amla trees are planted along with the Tulsi plant. It's a concluding day of fortnight-long Diwali celebrations, which marks the beginning of marriage season for Hindus. Have a look. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.